Bell.
Oh, actually, I'm sorry, it messed up. Can you do it again?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's fine.
Hello, Rachel, Josiah, and Isabel. This is your father and husband, John. I'm doing really good. We've just passed our 8th week here at OCS. Got our out PFA tomorrow, and Wednesday we become candidate officers, which means I get to get rid of these ghastly things on my face. Yeah. So, you know, I'll probably start acting a little bit more normal, more like a human being pretty soon. I'm looking forward to that. I said before I left that only the first 11 weeks of OCS would be difficult, so I've only got about 3 more to go, and life should be easy for a week. So, you know, I miss you guys a lot, and I'm looking forward to being able to get in contact with you more often. But I hope you enjoy this video, and hope you guys like watching it over and over and over. So I'll see you soon, and I love you guys. Bye.